Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to enable or disable automatic repair, then watch this video. Now the first thing you need to do if you want to disable it is you need to copy these commands. So the first command is to disable it. So copy this command. You will find these commands in the description of this video. Copy this command and then we need to go to command prompt, right click on it and click on run as administrator. Yes, and we'll enter this command here and click enter. Operation was completed successfully. You have disabled automatic repair. Now if you want to enable it at any point further, then you need to copy the second command. You will find this in the description of the video. Copy it, go to command prompt, run as right click, run as administrator. In the elevated command prompt, you click enter and click on yes. So you have now enabled the automatic repair. If this video helped you, kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.